Design and internal structure. Opening up the interior of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, we see a streamlined and compact design where each component is placed very skillfully. There is a strong shielding at the top that protects the various chips and power IC. A15 Bionic chipset. This chip is built on 5nm technology, which has a 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine. Its performance is excellent in gaming and AI processing, and it also plays an important role in battery efficiency. Power IC and battery management. In the iPhone 13 Pro Max, Apple has used an advanced PMIC, power management IC, which is designed to improve battery performance and protect against